Welcome viewer, this video tutorial describes, fix Chrome download failed network error on Windows 11, 10. First method is change download folder location. Second method is change registry settings. Change value data to 1. I hope this tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.